In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add Google Slides to CapCut in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Whether you want to use your slides as images, turn your whole presentation into a video, or record animations and voiceover, I'll walk you through the easiest methods step by step. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick editing guides. Let's jump in. First, you need to export your Google Slides in a format CapCut can use. Since Google Slides is cloud-based, you can't just drop the live presentation into CapCut directly. You need to turn it into media assets first. If your slides are static, the easiest option is to download them as images. Open your presentation in Google Slides, click File, then Download, and choose PNG image or JPEG image. Keep in mind that Google Slides downloads one slide at a time, so you'll need to repeat this for each slide you want to use in your video. This is perfect if your presentation is mostly text, screenshots, or simple visuals. If your slides include animations, transitions, or embedded video, then the best option is to record the presentation as a video. Click Slideshow to open your presentation in full screen, then use a screen recorder to capture it while you move through each slide. On Windows, you can use the game bar by pressing Win plus Alt plus R. If you're using CapCut Desktop, you may also be able to use the built-in screen recorder. This gives you an MP4 file you can edit directly in CapCut, which is especially useful if you want everything combined into one clip. There is also another option, and this is really useful if you want a more polished result. Google Slides can also convert your presentation into a video in some workflows, including AI voiceover and animations depending on the tools you use. If that option is available to you, it can save a lot of time because the final output is already video ready. Once you have your exported images or video file, you're ready for the next step. Now open CapCut on your desktop and click New Project. This opens a fresh editing timeline where you can bring in your Google Slides content. In the top left media area, click the Import button, which usually appears as a large plus sign. From there, locate the PNG, JPEG, or MP4 file you exported from Google Slides, select it, and click Open. You can also make this even faster by dragging and dropping the files straight from Windows File Explorer into the CapCut Media tab. CapCut will automatically load them into your project so you can start editing right away. Once your slides are imported, the next step is arranging them on the timeline. Drag each slide image or video clip from the media bin down onto the main track. If you're using images, you'll want to control how long each slide stays on screen. To do that, click the edge of each clip and drag it longer or shorter, depending on the pacing you want. This is really important because a single slide might need only a few seconds, while another one with more text may need much more time for viewers to read it comfortably. If you imported a video recording instead of individual slides, you can still edit it just like any other clip. Use Ctrl plus B to split the video wherever you want to cut out pauses, extra clicks, mistakes, or dead space between transitions. This makes your final edit cleaner and much more professional. You can also add music, captions, zoom effects, or transitions inside CapCut if you want the slides to feel more dynamic. A helpful tip is to keep your slide timing consistent if the presentation is meant for education, tutorials, or social media content. Too fast, and people won't have time to read. Too slow, and the video may feel draggy. A good approach is to preview your timeline, watch the pacing, and adjust the clip lengths until the flow feels natural. If your goal is to turn a slideshow into a YouTube video, this method works really well because you can combine Google Slides visuals with CapCut editing tools in one place. You can also add voice narration afterward, sync background music, or add text overlays to highlight important points. That gives you much more control than just presenting the slides by themselves. So to quickly recap, export your slides from Google Slides as PNG or JPEG if they're static, record them as MP4 if they include animations or motion, import everything into CapCut Desktop, then arrange and trim the clips on the timeline. Once that's done, your Google Slides are now ready for editing, sharing, or publishing as a polished video. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut and Google Workspace tutorials, and leave a comment if you want a follow-up video on adding music, voiceover, or transitions to your slides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.